Hey guys, how you going? Well, it's the third one for the rut. He's not as big as the first one as you would see, but he's certainly bigger than the second one. As you can see behind me, it's just covered in fog. It's just I was lucky to even pick him up. He was holding a good number of does though. He was probably with a dozen does, so he was having a good time until I ended it. So sorry, buddy. But yeah, they haven't been croaking much. Last night we had two going for a little while, but other than that, it's been pretty damn quiet for the rut. It's yeah, it's making it hard, but nonetheless we're into it, and he's down. So time to do the job. Thanks guys. Cheers.